Now that you've been introduced to the databases, I'm going to go over how to narrow or broaden a search. We will start on the library website and select the database. In this demonstration, I will use EBSCO. Now, starting with a basic keyword search will generally deliver a large amount of results.
I'm going to start with anxiety as the keyword, and I get a little over 90,000 results. Now, when the keyword disorders is added to the search, the results are reduced, now with just under 20,000 articles.
I can again reduce the amount of results by adding one more keyword. Now, by adding children to the search, the results are just over 1,000. So as you can see, adding keywords to the search will return fewer but more precise results. Now, if the opposite occurs and there are too few results, we can broaden the search. I started off with the phrase anxiety, depression in teenagers, and I got less than 30 results. To get more results, I will just remove some of the words. By removing anxiety and focusing the search on depression in teenagers, the results will expand to almost 2,000. Now, another technique I can employ is synonyms. Not all authors will use the same terminology in their writing, so it's good to use synonyms to get the best results. In this case, I will change teenagers to adolescents, and the results again will increase. So to recap, if there are too many results, add keywords to make the search more precise and get fewer results. If there are too few results, remove some of the keywords, returning more results with a broader range. You can also use synonyms, which will generally return more results. Later in the workshop, I will go into more detail on some other techniques, including phrase searching, advanced search, and Boolean operators that will help make the search more specific.